Hi guys, and this is a new video about the TikTok app. So today we will show you how to smoothly delete and manage the selected chats and messages on TikTok. Let's go to this app. Right now we are on our profile page, but later let's go to the inbox section to go to all our chats. Let's click on the top icon and choose the needful chat on the list. Right now I will show you how to delete the selected message, but unfortunately don't forget that this selected message will be removed only in our history, but it will be saved for our friends. Unfortunately, yes. So how to delete the selected message for our history, in our message history, in our chat. Let's hold on the selected message and pick on the delete option at the bottom of the screen. Perfect, well done. As you can see right now we don't have this message, but our friend will have it. So, okay, but how to remove the selected chat? Let's go to the chat list. Later let's swipe the needful chat to the left side, and later we have to tap on the delete option opposite. Pick on the confirm. Well done. As you can see right now we don't have this chat, so guys, unfortunately you cannot disable the selected message for your friend, but I hope that this video was helpful and useful. Don't forget about likes, and don't forget to subscribe to our HardReset.Info channels on YouTube and TikTok. Bye bye!